Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Lightroom account. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Lightroom app on your home screen. Now open it. Now tap onto the three-dot line. Then here you can find the app settings option. Go ahead and select it. Next, here you can find your profile icon. Simply go ahead and select it. Now here you can find the option of delete Adobe account at the bottom of the screen. Simply select it. And after that, your account will be deleted. And that's it. This is how you can delete your Lightroom account in your mobile phone. It is a very simple and easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.